Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by my channel. My name is Yasmin. I just want to let you know in this video I will be showing you how you can make a single pair of yarn earrings. Stay tuned. You will need a pair of scissors to cut your yarn, beading pliers, fishhook earrings, yarn, and something to wrap your yarn. And you can also use your hand. I used an acrylic sheet that I had purchased from Amazon, which is 7 inches, as you can see. So I went ahead and wrapped my yarn around my acrylic sheet, and keep in mind how many times you wrap it around will determine how thick your earrings will be. So after I removed the yarn from the acrylic sheet, I tried to find a middle point, and I used that area to cut with my scissors. And once I got done with that, I just laid it out straight. I cut me an extra piece of yarn long enough to wrap around. I got my fishhook earrings, and this I purchased from Michael's. I'll leave a link in the description box, and I might include a picture of what it looks like if you want to go into the store and order it or find it online. So I went ahead and used my beading pliers to open up that fishhook earring, and then I closed it tight. Make sure that you do that so that your yarn doesn't slip through. Now I'm going to go ahead and tie this in a knot. I'm going to tie it 2 times very tight to make sure that it doesn't allow the fishhook earring to move too much on with the yarn. Okay, so I just flipped it over, and as you can see, I'm just shaking it up, combing it through a little bit. Once I'm done, I can cut another piece of yarn. I grab my measuring tape, then I go ahead and measure how far down I want to wrap this yarn around. I do tie that in a knot, tight knot, and then I flip it over and tie it again really tight. And once I'm done with that, I do flip it over one more time and I double knot it. Now some people choose to cut off the extra yarn. Some people choose to use glue. I go ahead, sometimes I leave it, sometimes I just tuck it in if it's standing out too much, but that's totally up to you. Once I get done with that, I go ahead and grab my measuring tape so that I can decide where I want to cut my earrings. Depending on the style of the earring will determine exactly how long it's going to be. You want to make sure you take the time to play with different brands and different materials. For example, they have acrylic and cotton. Discover what you like best and stick to it. If you have a customer that orders 3 pairs of earrings, different colors, and you have those colors in different brands and different materials, you're not offering that customer consistency. Okay, so what I'm doing right here is I'm just cutting down the ends of the earrings to make sure they're as even as possible. What I also did off camera was I made the complete set of earrings. I did one where I wrapped it 35 times, and I did another pair where I wrapped it 50 times, and you'll be able to see that difference. Okay, so here are the earrings. This pair I wrapped 35 times. This one I wrapped 50 times. I'm not sure how well you can see the difference, but I know for sure the one wrapped 35 times is a little bit thinner than the ones wrapped 50 times. And you can see it a little bit here in this video. Okay, we are all done. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.